If you are looking for a modern payment card for online purchases and international spending, you might have come across RedotPay, but is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know: features, fees, pros, cons, and whether it's a good option for you. What is RedotPay? RedotPay is a digital payment service, offers virtual and physical cards for online and in-store payments. It is mainly designed for people who want an easy way to pay internationally, shop online, and manage spending through a mobile app. You can use it anywhere major card networks like Visa or MasterCard are accepted. Key features. First, virtual and physical cards. You can instantly create a virtual card for online payments and also order a physical card for everyday use. Second, global payments. RedotPay works for international transactions, making it useful for subscriptions, online shopping, and services that require foreign payments. Third, mobile app control. You get a simple app where you can track transactions, freeze your card, and manage spending in real time. Fourth, fast setup. The sign up process is quick, and you can start using the virtual card almost immediately. Fees and pricing. RedotPay is not completely free, so here's what to expect: card issuance fee for physical cards, possible transactions or conversion fees for international payments, ATM withdrawal fees if you use the physical card. The exact fees can vary, so always check the latest details in app before using it heavily. Pros: easy to set up and start using, works well for international online payments, virtual card available instantly, simple and clean mobile app, useful for subscriptions and global services. Cons: of course, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides. Fees can add up over time, not as widely trusted as traditional banks. Customer support may be slower compared to major providers, limited features compared to full banking apps. Who should use RedotPay? RedotPay is a good option if you shop online frequently from international website, if you need a quick and a simple payment card, if you want a virtual card for subscriptions or services. But it might not be ideal if you are looking for a full banking solution or long-term financial management. Conclusion and final verdict. Overall, RedotPay is a solid option for basic payments, especially for online and international use. It's simple, fast, and gets the job done. But the fees and limited features mean it's better as a secondary card, not your main financial tool. And that's it for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, do not forget to support us with like, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews, turn on the bell icon in order to not miss anything about that. And if you have used RedotPay before, share your experience in the comments below and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.